Okay, so if you type any wrong URL like this, it will show you a link back to the home page. Like go to the Amazon's home page. That means whatever the wrong URL you enter in the front end, we need to tell people this page does not exist in our server. Please go back to the home page, or else you go back to the other internal pages, something like this. So what is the purpose of this means to maintain the relationship with the user. That means if user close the browser, you will not get business. Whenever a person visits the website, if they enter any broken link or if they enter any old product URL, we need to tell them this page does not exist. We don't have that product or service. Go back to the home page. We need to give a link back. So this will be done by the developer only. You cannot do this. So you need to tell your developer, please create one custom 404 error page in the front end and show the page like this for all the wrong URLs. Whatever the wrong URL user enters, for those wrong URLs, we need to show the link back to the home page. Home page or other internal URLs. Okay, so this is the process. It will be done by developer only. You cannot do this. And the next one we'll see Google Webmasters remaining topics. We'll continue. So yesterday we have discussed about the performance. That means how many clicks you got, how many impressions, what is the CTR. This kind of data you can see in the performance. URL inspection is nothing but we can tell Google, please index my URLs fastly. And coverage issue means like what kind of broken links are there, canonical issues are there, any soft 404 errors are there. We can check in the coverage issues. So regularly 2 to 3 days once or weekly once at least you need to log in with the Webmaster Tools and you need to check the issues. If any major issues are there, you need to solve. Sitemaps means it will just show you the indexed URLs, how many pages are indexed. In your website, if you have more pages and if you don't submit the sitemap, then Google will take more time to index your pages. So always you remember one thing, you maintain the sitemap with the complete URLs. In your website, if any pages are added or in your website, if the pages are removed, just create a new sitemap, upload in the server, and again you come and update here so that Google will understand what is your newly updated sitemap. Okay, you just need to enter the sitemap.xml here, click submit. Yesterday we have submitted, it is showing as success. Okay. And next, removals means if any URLs you want to temporarily remove in Google search engine, not permanently in your website actually. Temporarily, if you don't want to show some pages in search engines, either you can go with the robots.txt, it is allowed, or else you can go with the new request temporary removal process. Okay. Just you can enter the URL here, then Google will take the request and it will try to de-index in the Google search engine. Next one is speed issues. So yesterday we have seen like Google Page Speed Insights tool also. In the tool, you can go to the tool directly, enter the home page of the website. It will show all the issues, whatever the mobile issues, desktop issues you will get. You can download it and send it to the developer. They will solve it. And mobile issues are there like mobile usability. If any pages are not opening in your website, it will show like that. As of now, there are no mobile issues. It is showing as completely in green color only. Okay. 0 errors, 37 valid URLs. In case if you have any mobile issues, you just contact the developer, they will solve. Next one is AMP schema. In all the websites dashboard, you will not get this AMP schema because we implemented the AMP previously, but again we have removed because some code is missing in that. That is the reason AMP is showing error. And FAQ also still not showing in search engines. If you add the code related to AMP or FAQ, then only these two options will come in the dashboard. For every website, these two options will not come. If you implement, then only it will come. FAQ schema tool also we have discussed yesterday. So there is a tool in called Saji George. Just enter the details, questions and answers, generate the code, add the code in the required page source code. Okay. Next one is manual actions. Also we have discussed, like if any manually, if you do any spamming like keyword stuffing in your site, duplicate content, or so many internal links, or cloaking. So 3 points we have discussed related to this keyword manual issues. Keyword stuffing, cloaking means hidden text. Cloaking means hidden text and duplicate content. So these are some black hat techniques. Hidden text is nothing but writing the same color fonts in the website. For example, if this is a white color page in your website, white color fonts, if you write, what will happen? Google will not. Google will read that. Google can understand, and it will consider it as a black hat technique. User cannot read, but Google can read it. That is called hidden text. Why people will use hidden text means, some people who doesn't know about SEO, they'll think that if I use same content more number of times, or if I use the same hyperlink more number of times, my website will come in first page. Like this, many people will think, and they'll implement this kind of black hat techniques. At the time, Google will penalize your site. So if there are no issues, that is fine. Security issues, if any hacking issues are there, it will show here. Okay, so next one we'll go with the international targeting. International targeting. So what is international targeting means? International targeting is nothing but like entering the country name correctly. In which country you want to get your site in first page of Google? Which country you are targeting? So we are targeting for India. Now what is the next question means? If I want to target in multiple countries, what I have to do? So for example, you want to get your website in first page of Google in Singapore, Malaysia, and Taiwan, Japan, Korea, in all these countries. So here we cannot enable multiple countries. We can enable only one country. So how can we tell Google to get our site in multiple countries? Okay. So one example we'll see to understand more about this. So there is a concept called subdomains and subdirectories, or main primary domains also. Okay. So LG company is present in 70 countries, 70 countries. Okay. So if you open lg.com from India, it will show like this: lg.com/in. /in means it is for India. Like this, whatever the country you go, you enter the lg.com global domain, they will show the corresponding country. They purchased only one global domain, that is called lg.com. And what will happen means, inside the lg.com server, there will be different folders for different countries. For one country, there will be one folder, and country level folders, pages they'll maintain. For example, in case if you go to Japan and if you type lg.com, it will automatically redirect to the lg.com/jp. As of now, I'm entering manually, but if you go to Japan and if you type lg.com, it will redirect automatically to the lg.com/jp. That means it will show in Japanese language, and each and every page will be separate. So why they have to maintain like this means, we cannot target the global URL lg.com for all the countries. Country level search engines are different. That is the reason country level websites we need. That means either you go with the subdirectory or else subdomains. So for example, google.co.uk. This is for UK. google.com.my. Okay, this is for Malaysia. google.com.sg, that is for Singapore. Like this. So create one separate subdirectory just to tell your developer to maintain one server and maintain multiple country level folders. In Japan folder, Japanese page related files are there. Files will be there. In Singapore folder, Singapore related pages will be there. So after this, what you have to do means, you need to add, for example, 70 countries, 70 subdirectories are created. Then what you have to do, you need to go to the dashboard, click add a property. 70 properties you have to add. lg.com/in, lg.com/jp, like this. For every property, you need to do verification again. How will you do the verification? You will get the HTML file, download the HTML file and upload in the corresponding server. Okay, so if you have 70 countries, 70 folders will be there in the server. One property you add, one file will be downloaded. This file you need to upload in the corresponding server. So this is one big process actually. It is not required for all the websites, only for international companies. So and another step is you should also add the country level tags. Country level tags are required to add in the source code. You need to add in the source code of the corresponding page. So if you go to this tool, this is like an international SEO tool actually, href language tags generator. So you just need to enter the details, like for example, lg.com/in. Select the language as English for India, English, country. Okay, and assume that you have 70 countries. As of now, just I'll add the 2 countries and 2 subdirectories. And again, you need to remember the SEO also need to do separately for each country level URLs. Japanese is the language, country is the Japan. So enter your country level URL, language, country name, again country level URL, language, country name. So once you are done with this, click this tags to include in the head area of the page's HTML. Click this generate the href language tags for these URLs. You will get the code. So what we have to do with this code means, this code should be placed globally in all the pages, in the entire website, in all the pages. In each and every page you have to paste. Why? Because Google has to understand which page belongs to which URL. So globally we need to tell Google, this website we are maintaining this language. This website we are maintaining this language, and country is Japan. Language is Japanese. So that Google will understand this URL has to come in the first page of search engines in Google Japan URL. That means Google Japanese search engine, Google Indian search engine, google.co.in for this URL. So we need to tell Google like this. So just to give it to the developer, they will add in the source code. For example, I'll show you one example, like TripAdvisor. So TripAdvisor.in. So there are 3 different methods to maintain the site actually. What are those 3 methods means? Okay. So href, this one subdirectories like lg.com/jp or else jp.lg.com. That is also one method. jp.lg.com subdomain. Okay, and also you can use country level domains .in directly. Okay, subdirectory means slash the country name. Subdomain means jp.lg.com. Like that also can maintain, or else you can also purchase country level domain separately like this. So right now we are in the tripadvisor.in website. So if you go to the source code, so whatever the country level domain you open in the tripadvisor.in source code, you can see the country level href tags. Whatever the tags we have generated just now, the same tags are there. TripAdvisor is globally present in around some 20 to 30 countries actually. You can see all the tags here. href equal to tripadvisor.com.tr. Okay, so for every country they are maintaining the href language tags. en-gb, this is for UK. GB means UK, English language. GB means UK. href language equal to en-gb and tripadvisor.co.uk. en-ca, Canada, this is for CA. Like this, for every country one separate tag is required so that Google will understand which language, which country you are targeting, and language tags are important, country level domains are important, and also country level properties you have to add, country level verification you have to do. This the entire process comes under international targeting. In your company, if you are having only one country targeting for your client, just to go with this international targeting, set up the country name, select the country name from the drop down. In case if you want to target multiple countries, just tell your developer to configure subdomains or subdirectories or country level domains. After that, add each and every property in this site, in this dashboard, by clicking add a property. Verify the property by uploading the file in the corresponding country level folder, then add the href language tags. This is the complete process. This is a complex process which is not possible immediately. It will take some time in your company. If you have some developer help, then only you can do this. The next one is crawl statistics. Crawl statistics is nothing but Google bot activity actually. Like what is Google bot activity? We can see here. It is just about like how many kilobytes it is crawling per day. Okay, so what kind of data it is fetching. We can see the entire process. Okay, there's nothing to do from your end actually. Next one is messages. Messages means any issues are there while crawling or any performance issues are there. Okay, all this data will be sent in a message format. Google will send you a message like this: performance report, coverage issues, sitemap issues. So anything, any activity you have, any issues you have, Google will send one message. You need to read it. Okay. Search performance for March: 546 clicks, 55,000 impressions, pages with first impressions. Like this, some data will be shown here in the message section. So how people find you, what are all the keywords they've used. Okay, what are all the keywords people used to click your website, and from which device, how many people visited your site, how many device, through which devices people are coming to your site. So this kind of data we can see in the performance report in the message section. Next one is URL parameters is not required for us actually. This is completely for dynamic websites, which will be done by developer only. It is not at all required. Nothing to worry in URL parameters. Next one is web tools. Web tools are nothing but Google other tools, other Google tools that will show you. Like schema already we have discussed. Okay, and other resources means so if you go to the tools, so we have some other resources actually like Google My Business, Google uh, Merchant Center, Page Speed Insights. Page Speed Insights already we have discussed how to find the page speed issues in the Google Page Speed Insights tool. And these things are all not covered actually till now. We'll discuss later. Google Ads, Google Analytics, Webmasters we are already discussing now. This is Webmaster Academy where you can go and read some content. Google domains, this is for purchasing the domains. This is also like how to search in Google properly using different syntaxes. We can click it and see. So out of all this, the important things are Google My Business and Google Ads, Google Analytics, Merchant Center. Later we'll discuss this. These are all other tools. Okay. Next one is links. Links means we can see the backlinks which we have submitted. That means whatever the submissions you are doing, as already we have discussed, these submissions, whatever the submissions we have discussed in off-page optimization, all those submissions will be crawled by Google. Google will crawl the backlinks wherever you go and post your links. So you may have one doubt whether Google will really crawl those backlinks or not. Google will consider our effort or not. So you can see the links here. So whatever the submissions you have done, all the submission sites it will show you. Top linking sites means in which sites we have posted. As already we have discussed, Google bot will regularly check your backlinks, and Google bot will show the backlinks in the search console, the Google Webmaster Tools. Whatever the submissions you have done, all those submissions it will show, and there is no guarantee that all submissions will be shown here. Some sites it will show, some sites it will take still some time. It is immediately not possible. For example, yesterday, if you go and assume that yesterday you posted your link in 10 sites, so Google will not show the 10 sites immediately here. It will take some time, right? It may take 1 week or 1 month also. Until it crawls, we have to wait. And whatever the tool you're using, this Google Webmaster tools, our website backlinks we can see. Others' websites backlinks we cannot see. Now we'll discuss about all these points. What is the importance of this? So, for example, we'll see one example here. Something like Logic. Okay, this is on article submission site. So if you observe here, these are all the URLs. These are all the URLs present in this article submission site name called abilogic.com. So for example, if I click any URL here, click this. So it will show you like this. This URL is posted in abilogic.com. This URL, digitalcore.com/Adobe Analytics Training in Bangalore, posted in abilogic.com. In the middle of the article, as already we have discussed, in the middle of the article, we need to give hyperlink back to our main website. So how many times we posted this URL means we posted for 4 times. Why we posted for 4 times means it is not like by clicking submit link option. We submitted 4 different articles. We submitted 4 different articles in this site. Okay, so just observe the article. That is the reason we got 4 backlinks. Go for Adobe Analytics Training in Bangalore, Excel your career. This is one title we are given. And inside the article, if you see Adobe Analytics Training in Bangalore, this is the keyword for which we are given a hyperlink back to our main website. This is the URL present in our site. So that is the reason we are getting 4 backlinks from this particular site. Like this, if you click each and every link and see, you can find how many backlinks are coming from which site. Sometimes if you add the tags means keywords. Through the tags also it will show as a backlink, but those are not backlinks actually. Multiple tags also it will show you. Okay. So for example, medium.com. In medium.com also we have submitted article actually. So this URL is posted for 3 times. Different articles. This URL is posted for 3 times. This URL is posted for 3 times. This URL posted for 2 times. This URL for 1 time. That means different articles. Every week we can target the same URL but different articles. So for example, for BTM we have created 3 articles. So we got 3 backlinks. From each article, one backlink. These are the 3 article URLs which we have posted and 3 backlinks we got. So maybe this is suspended due to some issue. So one thing you have to remember, top linking sites is nothing but you just need to understand in which site you posted the links, how many links are posted. It may be in the form of article submission, or it may be a bookmarking, or it may be a profile creation. Anything will be there. You just need to observe that. Okay. How it is coming, you need to understand. So regularly you check the backlinks, like within every 3 to 4 days once or weekly once. Observe all the backlinks and check it whether your performance is going good or not. Okay. If Google is crawling all your backlinks, definitely it will be good. Okay. So next one we'll see. You can also download this report and send it to the client. So I think we have completed everything in the Webmaster tools. In the settings, we can see the points, what are the things we have. In the settings, it will just show you the verified owner, and you can also give the owner access. Okay. And we can see the users and permissions section. Users and permission section is nothing but we can give access to other people in your company. Also, they will not give you the Gmail ID and password. They will just give you the access for your mail ID. So how I given access to your mail ID? The same way in your company also they will give the access by clicking this add user option. And one more important point we'll discuss now. So what will happen if any old website is given to you and if there are so many improper backlinks? Assume that you joined in a company, somebody done SEO, they submitted links in so many low quality sites. Okay. As of now, we submitted our links manually and we know what is the domain authority for all these sites. If I go and post my website links in all these sites, I know these sites are having good authority, then only will post. Assume that you joined in a new company, somebody done SEO and they posted links in very low quality sites without checking domain authority, without checking Alexa. So they posted links in so many low quality sites. And your client will come and ask you, somebody done SEO for this site before 6 months back. Now we are not getting ranking. How will you solve this issue? So the first step you have to do is you need to remove all those low quality backlinks. How will you remove the backlinks? He worked, so the previous employee worked for 6 months and he left the company. You need to do the SEO from the scratch and you need to fix all the issues and you need to get it in first page within 2 to 3 months. Okay. So how will you remove the links which are posted in low quality sites? First of all, how will you find whether the site is low quality or high quality? Means you just need to download this report, export the report, you will get all the domains, open each and every domain, check the domain authority which is low quality or high quality. You will come to know. Assume that that person has posted the links in 100 low quality sites. Okay, 100 low quality sites, he has posted the links. Assume that the domain authority is only 10 or 20 or 15, something like this. So how will you remove the links present in this 100 sites? Means there are different methods. One method is you need to contact the contact the site owner. Contact the site owner and ask him to remove the link. But it is practically not possible. You cannot contact the site owner. In some websites, there won't be contact us option also. Okay, in bookmarking, article, they may not reply also. Thousands of submissions will be keep on happening. Other method is you need to have login details. You need to have login details through which he has submitted. If you don't have login details, you cannot log in and you cannot remove the link. It is not possible to remove the link without login details, right? So this is also not possible. Assume that you don't have login details. Then what will you do? So what you have to do means you need to build high quality backlinks again so that at least some improvement will come. But that also will take more time. So for this reason, Google launched one advanced tool called Google Disavow. Say, okay, Google Disavow tool. So what is this tool means? If any website is facing some low quality backlink issue, spam backlinks issues, they can go and upload all those low quality backlinks in this tool. What will happen after uploading all the backlinks in this tool means Google cannot remove the links also. Google will not remove your links. But what Google will do means it will not consider those links. For example, 100 low quality in 100 low quality sites, your links are posted. You just need to upload all these 100 low quality domains in this tool. Then what Google will do means it will not crawl that backlinks and it will not give any authority at all. That's the benefit you are going to get. That is the only advantage Google, that is the only help Google can do. That's the process. So how to upload these low quality backlinks or domains? You just need to type like this, Google Disavow tool. Just type like this. You will get the tool. This is integrated in Webmaster Tools only, but you cannot see about Google Disavow anywhere in the dashboard. It will not appear actually. You just need to click this first link. Okay, so once you click this, it will directly open like this, google.com/webmasters/tools/Disavow links main. And this particular tool we have to use whenever there is a requirement like this, whatever the requirement I have shown you. Somebody, I'm getting disturbance. Can you mute your mic? Nizam, can you mute your mic? And Manjunath? Sorry, Harsha. So you just need to go to this tool and select the website from the drop down. For which website you want to dissolve, that website you have to select from the drop down. You just need to read this once. If you believe your site's ranking is being harmed by low quality links, you do not control. That means even other person also can build low quality backlinks for you. For example, if you build the low quality backlinks for your client, his website will come down. Okay, so you can ask Google not to take them into the account when assessing your site. Google will not remove your low quality backlinks, but it will not consider those low quality backlinks while crawling the website. You should still make every effort to clean up the unnatural links pointing to your site. Simply disavowing then doesn't enough. So you should also try to contact the site owner or try to get the login details and try to remove your links. This is the process. So just click this disavow links. You need to click this disavow links again. This is an advanced feature and should only be used with caution. If used incorrectly, the feature can potentially harm your site performance. If you don't have any low quality backlinks, do not use this tool. If you have low quality backlinks, then only use this tool. Okay. So we recommend that you only disavow backlinks if you believe that there are considerable number of spammy, artificial, or low quality links pointing to your site. Whenever you have this kind of backlinks, then only use this tool. Otherwise, do not use this tool. Okay. So click this disavow links. Click this dissolve links. What you have to do, you just need to upload the file. What will be there in the file means, which file you have to upload means, you just maintain that notepad with the list of domains for which you want to dissolve. There is a standard notepad extension which is given by Google actually. Extension means like format. So in support.google.com, just type dissolve. You can read the complete process, like what kind of process format you have to use. Google will mention here. So for example, you can directly enter the backlinks or else you can enter the domain also. Put the hash as a comment section. That means it is like a command. 2 pages to dissolve. You mention like this, or 100 pages to dissolve, or 100 domains to dissolve. You just mention domain name also. That is enough. For example, in social bookmarking, we have discussed about digo.com. For example, digo.com is a low quality site. What you have to do? You mention that one domain to disavow, domain colon symbol digo.com. This is one standard format which you have to maintain and just save that file with any name and you need to upload the file. After uploading the file, Google will try to fetch your URLs or domains, whatever you uploaded in the notepad. Then after some time, after 1 month or 2 months or 3 months, it will take some time actually. It is not immediately possible. Then Google will send one message in the message section. We have message option here. In the messages section, Google will send one message called your links are successfully disavowed. Please check your backlinks in Google Webmaster Tools or else in other backlink tools. Like that, one message will come. So our website backlinks we can disavow, others websites backlinks we cannot disavow. Okay, that's the process. And this is not regularly used. This Google disavow tool is required for us whenever there is a requirement like disavowing this kind of low quality backlinks. It is not regularly used. If you do the SEO from the scratch, from the first day, if you do perfectly, there is no problem. If you do it in a negative way, or if somebody has done SEO for your site, or if you outsource your website to the other people who doesn't know about SEO, then only you will get backlinks, low quality backlinks. You can also use the paid tool called Cognitive SEO. This is one paid tool through which we can check our backlinks. In our company also we have used this tool actually, Cognitive SEO. This will be around $100 per month. So I'll just show you this. Okay. So
Sir.
What will happen in this tool means, in this tool they'll show you unnatural links, suspected links, working links, everything once you enter the website URL. Okay. So once you enter the website URL, they'll show you clearly how many unnatural links are there, how many suspected links are there, how many no follow backlinks, do follow backlinks. This no follow, do follow we'll discuss in the next class in the Hrefs tool. Like what is the how to do competitor backlink analysis. At that time we'll discuss this. And how many uh, backlinks are in red color. It will show you suspected anchor text, low authority link, thin content, link network, extreme site-wide links. So there are so many unwanted, there will be so many unwanted links pointing to your site if you do not do SEO, or if somebody done SEO for your site. Directly you can click this send disavow file. That means this is a tool where you can do the ready-made process. Ready-made process means everything will be identified by this tool. You just need to click this send disavow file. Automatically they'll prepare one notepad with all these low quality files. Just you need to log in with Webmaster Tools. From here itself you can upload the file. That's the process. So this kind of tools will save your time by finding the low quality backlinks directly. There is one more tool called linkassistant.com. In your company, if they don't give you the paid access for this kind of tools, you just need to download all the backlinks from Google Webmaster Tools, open each and every site and check whether domain authority is more than 30 or not. If it is very less means you can upload the low quality backlinks in this our tool. Linkassistant.com. In this tool also we can find all the backlinks which are having low quality and upload the URL. So we have some link assistant, this one. So this entire tool comes under SEO Power Suite actually. SEO Power Suite is the major tool. Under this SEO Power Suite, they are having to check the ranking, rank tracker is there, to check the auditing, a website auditor is there, and SEO in-depth analysis we can do in Spyglass tool. Link Assistant is only for finding the backlinks. All these tools are integrated in SEO Power Suite. Okay, so any one tool if you learn, the entire other process will be same. So still we have not completed auditing and competitor backlinks. In upcoming classes we'll see how to do auditing for a small site to larger site, how to do the competitor backlink analysis. Okay, that's the process. So today you can go through all the Webmaster notes and as well as these points. In the next class we'll discuss about the Hrefs tool. Okay, Hrefs tool is nothing but competitor backlink analysis tool. So as of now, just I'll give you some introduction about the tool.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, if we leave the old links and if we just concentrate on posting new links in good domain sites, that will also help, right?
It will help, but it will take so much time. So on an average, if you see authority will take so much time to improve. And why you have to waste your time by building again? If you remove if you just find the low quality backlinks, if you upload in this kind of tools, then immediately, at least within 2 months, you can see the improvements. Okay. So Hrefs is basically competitor backlink analysis tool. Actually, we have so many tools like SEMrush, Hrefs, and SEO profiler, This kind of tools we can use to find the competitor backlinks. For example, if you enter any keyword in Google search box, assume that your site is coming in some 10th or 15th position. Who are all the competitors means the top people like top results, the first 3 to 4 results or 5 results. Those people are your main competitors. Now, if you want to know their on-page optimization strategy, you can go to their website. You can see the on-page optimization strategy, how they are maintaining the content, URLs, headings, everything you can see. So what about off-page optimization means you will not know where they posted their links, right? You cannot call them and ask where they posted the links. It is not possible. So we need to find the backlinks of our competitors using this kind of paid tools. These are all paid tools. Even free tools also we have, like backlinkwatch.com. Backlinkwatch.com. Here also we can see, but accuracy will not be there. Entire data it will not show you. And even Neil Patel also launched this backlink tool actually. So just you can type like this. You can type like Google suggest. So that URL is somewhere it is there. Okay. So first we will start with Ahrefs. Ahrefs is the world's #1 backlink analysis tool actually. So they'll be maintaining huge database in their server. Every day we crawl 5 billion web pages, index size is 16 trillion known links, and root domains, petabytes of storage, CPU cores. So compared to all other paid tools, Ahrefs is the #1 tool through which we can find the detailed data. If you want to directly buy this tool, they'll charge around $100 for the basic package. What is the difference between other packages means the data you can download more. In the basic package, you can download the 10,000 rows at a time, 10,000 backlinks at a time. So keyword rank report, you can see up to 500 keywords. In this 1500 keywords, like this, different package will be having different benefits. So in your company, they will give you the direct login details like this. But now what we'll do means we have some group by SEO tools. Group by SEO tools are there through which you can buy the tools at very low cost. There is a tool called SEOtool.com. There is a site called SEOtool.com. In this site, you can buy the premium tools. Around 20 tools, you will get access at around 600 rupees only per month. But it will not work in more than one laptop. Only in one system it will work actually. In very rare case, you can use it in multiple systems. If they find, they'll block your access. So do the sign up and login. Okay. So do the sign up and login. All the tools, if you want to buy, they'll charge around 600 rupees per month. If you want to buy only Ahrefs, they'll charge around 300 rupees per month. So Ahrefs, SEM Rush, both are same tools only, like backlink analysis tools only. Serpostat is like for checking the rank report. Ranking you can see. ACRP, search engine results based statistics. Article Forge is article creation tool. ODI is also article creation tool only. If you just enter the keywords, it will generate the articles. Keywordtool.io, this is also one keyword research tool only. BuzzSumo is basically like content curation tool. That means if you want to know the trending content which is happening in online, you can go to the BuzzSumo. Moz is also competitor backlink analysis tool. Like we have Open Site Explorer, which is launched by Moz company, same as like Ahrefs. Okay. Spyfo is a keyword spying tool. That means if you want to know through which keywords competitors are getting traffic, you can use the Spyfo. Spyfo already we have discussed in the initial keyword research class. Through which keywords competitors are getting visitors, you can check in Spyfo. Canva is for infographics creation tool. If you want to create some attractive images or infographics, you can use Canva. Grammarly is for grammar checking tool. Qtext is for content spinning tool. That means it will spin the content. Alexa already we have discussed. This is for same. We can check in the we can check the backlinks as well as analytics. We can see the Alexa rank and detailed analytics. We can check in Alexa site. ORank is a auditing tool. Auditing means like what kind of issues are there in your site. It will show you. Lynda.com is for checking the videos. Lynda.com, if you get the access, you can watch all the videos related to any category. Skillshare and Lynda both are same. This is for animations, creating the animations in online. This is for creating infographics. This tool is also for infographics. This I'm not sure. Hello. This is newly added actually. So PicMonkey is also for creating the pictures. Same as like Canva. So all these tools you'll get the access for 600 rupees. I'm just giving the overview of each and every tool actually. But one tool, if you know, in one category, that is more than enough. Click this, visit here. Once you buy the tool, they'll give the access. Only for 300 rupees, they'll give the access. So it is going to expire on 25th April. Click this, click here to access Ahrefs. So this detailed Ahrefs tool in the next class we'll see. As of now, I'll just show you the interface. So for example, assume that you want to do the competitor analysis, competitor backlinks you want to find for a company web design company website called nextSEO.com or Zinova.com. Just enter your competitor site. You can also enter your site to see your backlinks. But in your company, what you have to do, you need to enter your competitor site to see their backlinks. Okay. So you just need to go with the exact domain. That means exact URL backlinks. If you want to see, you need to select this option. The complete backlinks, if you want to see, means you can select this option. That means the entire backlinks, nextSEO.com / whatever the URLs they submitted the links / star means nothing but whatever the URLs are there in nextSEO.in, nextSEO.com, nextSEO.in actually, it is .in. Okay, so here it will just show you how many backlinks they're having, what are the newly found backlinks, what are the lost backlinks, how many broken links are there. Each and every tool will be having its own robot. You may have one doubt like how does this Ahrefs tool know about Nexo backlinks? So that is the reason initially we have discussed about Ahrefs robot data. Every day they'll crawl thousands and lakhs of backlinks. Each and every tool has its own robot. That robot will go and detect all the backlinks wherever they posted. Wherever this nextSEO.in links are present, all those links will be crawled by Ahrefs robot. Because any backlink which is posted in online, any backlink which is built in online, that is public. Any robot can access. Any search engine robot can access. Any tool also they can access. So these are all the points which we are going to discuss in the next class. As of now, just go through the Google Webmasters dashboard. Okay. So one backlink tool, if you know all the backlinks tools, the same process will be there. For practice purpose, I'll tell you how to practice without having the Ahrefs access. Also, you can practice using the Neil Patel tool. I'll share the link tomorrow after class. Okay. So up to here, any doubts are there in Webmaster tools?